Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abbyliciouz. So this video is going to be about my recent purchase from divatress.com and also hairsofly.com. Most of the stuff I wanted were from these two companies, so I decided to purchase from them. So I'm just going to show you what I bought. It's more like a show and tell. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, here you go. So the first hair I'm going to show you guys is the one I am wearing right now, and don't worry, I did do a tutorial, and it's this crochet box braids. It's by the brand Motown Tress. Big box braids in 30 inches, which is perfect length. So obviously it's pre-looped. I didn't want to buy just the generic brand pre-loop crochet braids because they don't look good. Like most of them, the sizes are not consistent and they don't taper well. And I'll insert some like examples. And you have to buy like 7 packs and they're like $60. This one I only needed 2.5. I bought 3 packs of this and it cost me less than $30. Hello. This one you can dip it in hot water and curl it as you wish. All my box braids I get it in jet black because it looks so pretty. Like you can see the way it's braided properly when it's darker, if that makes sense. Like the sheen and the detail of the braids, like you can see it, it's so pretty. I'm just in love. Like I'm obsessed with this brand of braids. Like it looks salon finished. Look how uniform it is. And you see how it tapers? So the next one I got from Divatress, and it's their edgy side bang, and it looks like this. So basically it's a clip-on bang. So this is what the piece looks like. It's kind of long here, but the idea is you're supposed to use this and swoop it. If I'm too lazy to melt the lace and I have to hurry and go to work, I just clip this on and I just blend in with the rest of my hair. And I don't have to worry about melting the lace, no middle part. This is 1B, so it blends in with most of my wigs. Okay, so the next thing I got is actually, I'm excited for this one. Now, if you know me, I rarely wear short hair. I like long hair on me. It's just so feminine for me. But when I took one good look at this model and her wig, I just had to get it. And it's by Shake and Go. So it looks like this, and it has a 5-inch parting, and the coloring of this is just stunning. Do you see this shape? Even though I'm not wearing it, I think you guys can see the shape. Like, do you see this? Look at the swoop. It is stunning. Oh my goodness. Like, next one I'm going to show you guys is actually unique. So it looks like this. It's a ponytail combined with a bang. 1B-30. So it's natural black and pretty much brownish blonde combined. And it comes with a bang. So basically the idea is you just clip this on. Obviously you're going to make a high bun, preferably. And you just clip this on. And it already comes with this hair wrapped around, so it's like you can hide your bobby pin underneath. You can just swoop it. It's so cute. You want to look good but you don't have time. You can just pull your hair into a tight ponytail and you just slap that on and you don't have to worry about your edges. Hello, like how convenient is that? So this one is a spring twist. It's by Shake and Go Free Tress Braid and it's 18 inches. I didn't want to get it longer than 16 or 18. I think 18 was enough. Look how pretty she looks, eh? She looks so cute. And I bought 4 packs because I thought 4 packs were going to be enough. I don't know how many braids it comes with. Looks like it's very pretty, and it has little curls at the bottom, which is very nice. And it's super light, which is nice. I've seen some people when they install this like unravel these twists. Like I haven't figured out if I wanted to do that. I think I'll decide that after I install it. If I feel like upon finishing installing the hair, and then if I feel like this hair doesn't have enough volume, then maybe I'll unravel it and create some type of volume. Free Tress Braid Junior. It's called Boho Kinky Junior. And of course, I had to see the model, and she looked amazing. This reminds me of one of Kelly Rowland's hair, but I got it in the color 1. I can't wait to wear this with pearl earrings. So this is what it looks like. It's very soft. Ooh, this is gonna be big. I don't think I needed like 4 packs. but this is going to be big. It's a very kinky, so I can blend it so perfectly well with my natural hair. All I have to do is probably like I apply gel on my leave out. I haven't had leave out in so long, but, and you know what? I don't have to worry about making an intricate like braid pattern or anything like that. I can just do straight back, because honestly this hair is so thick and curly to the point where you won't see any braid pattern beneath anyway. And this one is Bobby Boss. Hey, and it's called Ophelia. The wig name is Ophelia, and I don't have the model picture in here, but I will insert it in the video. Look at these layers and curls. It's just this pretty wavy wig. It's synthetic, but it was affordable. It was on sale, I think. And it has a little bit of baby hairs. You can see it has a little bit of baby hairs here. The lace is forming a little bit of an L shape. It's beautiful, very bouncy. And yeah, I love it. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will surely see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye. God bless you.